Welcome back to Stock Talk, and for this month's edition, we're going to do something a little bit different. If you've been online in the past few weeks, you may have noticed the rumors swirling around that Rogers Communications and BCE are in talks with Apple to be Canada's first provider of Apple's ITV.
Yeah, there's been a lot of hype online about ITV lately.
And of course, Rogers, BCE, and Apple all declined comment. But Rogers just can't seem to stay out of the news with the MLSE deal in December. And then also there's been a lot of buzz online. Rogers agreed to not slow down the internet connections of any of its users after a complaint was filed with the CRTC last fall.
Yeah, so I thought it would be interesting this month to take a look at Rogers Communications using CPMS.
And of course, CPMS is Morningstar's quantitative equity research service utilized by fund managers across the country.
So I took a look at how Rogers ranks within the CPMS strategies, and two strategies in which it ranks really well are the CPMS asset growth and dividend growth strategies. Now this makes sense because both are large cap strategies that are looking for companies demonstrating high growth rates, either in the form of high reinvestment rates or consistent dividend growth, as well as upwards estimate revisions by analysts.
And how did you find Rogers compared to other telecom giants?
Rogers looks really good relative to its peers, with a higher return on equity and reinvestment rate and better momentum than other stocks in its sector.
And of course, people watching want to know, how do the dividends stack up?
The dividends have been steadily growing, with the current expected yield sitting at 3.79%. A payout ratio lower than the median telecom stock also indicates the sustainability of this dividend. So Rogers looks like a great addition to the portfolio of an investor who's looking for both growth and income.
And Rogers is expected to report its full-year earnings on February 22nd, so it'll be interesting to see if they meet analyst expectations.
Yeah, it definitely will.
Thanks so much, Sabeen. Just a reminder, Sabeen is not providing financial advice. We encourage you to speak with a financial planner or advisor before selecting stocks. CPMS software is only available to institutional clients and investment advisors. However, you can find stock quotes for free on Morningstar.ca using the search box at the top of the screen.